here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing wonderful today. Welcome back to today's video. I have a product review for you guys, and this is from a company called CrownedBeauty. I found this company on Instagram, and I did purchase a few things myself. This was not sent to me. I did purchase a few things myself. It's a hair care company, and I guess most of their products are coconut based. Okay, and it says Coconut Deluxe. And of course on the back just have a picture of the coconut in gold. Beautiful packaging. Of course, when you open up the box, all the products are on the inside, but I took them out just to save time. Really nice packaging. I'm very impressed with that. So I ordered from the company 2 of their hair mousse. Okay, right here. I ordered the wax stick. This is the hair oil, and this is the Wig Glue. And the reason why I made this purchase is because there was a little video on Instagram where somebody removed their wig, and it was that easy to remove. And I thought, oh, well, that's pretty much easy, because I guess the Wig Glue seems pretty easy to work with, easy to remove. So I thought, let me purchase one of these and see how it's going to work. Because if someone's advertising something that's really simple, or it's going to make my life easy, because I wear lots of wigs or whatever the case may be, I am definitely going to buy. So the way this video was presented, it looked like it was really easy. So this is the Wig Glue right here. Okay. This is not one of my favorite products at all. This Wig Glue is so hard to work with. Mind you, it really did hold the wig lace down, but it is too sticky, it's too tacky, it's too hard to work with. When you put this on your hair, okay, or your hairline, let me just see if I can pull a little bit out. It is just too tacky. I don't like this tackiness. I don't know if you can see that. You see these things that's just pulling like that? This is what you get, and I really don't like that. I went in with my my hair dryer, trying to dry this down, and this was all that I was getting. It was just pulling all the way down on my wig, and I thought, what is this? What is this? I can't work with this. I cannot work with this. Plus, I don't like the way it smells. It smells too strong. This is what I have been working with, and I thought, no. I can't work with this. This is really hard. So I managed to put it on. I don't have a video to show you guys. I don't have a video clip at all. I managed to put a little bit of this on my, you see, it's still coming off, although I'm trying to remove it with my face cleaner here. I put a little bit of the Wig Glue on, and I went in with my blow dryer or my hair dryer to dry the glue down, and all I got was this tackiness, and I thought, what is that? I cannot work with that. This is not how a wig glue is supposed to work. I mean, the got-to-be glue spray is the best thing ever. You just spray that on your on the edge of your hair, you stick your wig down, and off you go. It's the easiest thing ever. This is really difficult. If you guys want to get this and try to work with this, show me an easier way to work with this, go right ahead. But this is not one of my favorite wig glues at all. Too difficult to work with, and I don't like the smell of it. So it does come along with the hair oil. So what you will do with this is you will just spray this around the edge of your hair, and this is going to help the glue to get loose so your wig can come off easily. But it does come off easily, but then what you're left with is, all the glue was stuck to the rim of my head, and the glue was basically stuck to the lace of my wig, and I did not like that one bit. I had to soak my wigs with shampoo and conditioner and try to get that the glue to get loose, and I had to go in with my toothbrush, and I had to really scrub that to get that glue out of it. And I thought, no, I cannot work with this, period. I just can't. One of the worst wig glues I've ever worked with, and it's still sticky on my fingers. So like I said, I don't recommend this for you guys. I am being very honest. This was not sent to me for review. I purchased this myself, so I have a right to give you a very honest opinion of this product. I don't like it, and I would not recommend that for you guys, okay? This is the wax stick, and I'm gonna tell you, this is one of the best wax sticks I have ever used. Yes, this is highly, highly recommended, okay? It has a very beautiful smell to it. Let me just show you the packaging again, just like that. Okay, this is the packaging right here. You just unscrew the top and you push the bottom up, and then the wax stick comes up. And it doesn't matter how many times you go over your hair with this. It's not sticky, it's not tacky. You're not going to see any white residue. It's not going to clump your hair together. It's going to lay your hair nice and even down. You will not see one flyaway in your hair. If you are one of those people who likes to wear your units nice and flat, this is a product for you. And as you can see, I'm going over this over and over and over and over again, and this is so good. It doesn't clump the hair up. It doesn't make it feel sticky or tacky. I feel like I've got nothing in my hair. Then of course you just take your brush and you brush it all out, and your hair looks just like normal. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel tacky. The hair is not weighed down. Where I can run my hands through my hair. There is no greasy feeling on the hair. My hands is not greasy at all. It is an amazing wax stick. This is highly, highly recommended for you guys. I recommend it desperately for you guys. And this is the hair mousse. The hair mousse I really love as well. It smells wonderful. You put a little bit of this in your hands and you put this on your hair. It keeps everything in place. Everything is in place. Again, this is not heavy, does not weigh the hair down, makes it feel nice and light, and it makes your hair feel so beautiful. It keeps it in place all day. Look at that. Very, very pretty. Very nice. I really, really love the hair mousse. Okay, as you can see, my hair went a little bit flat right now, and I really, really love this. Beautiful. And I also want to show you guys this edge tamer. I got this from Amazon, and this edge tamer is so good. It's gonna hold down those baby hairs all day. This is what the product looks like. This is from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you guys just in case you want to get this. Look at that. I have been using the heck out of this thing. This is so good. I've already got my, the front of my hair laid down. So this is also one of those edge combs that I got from Amazon. It's going to be in the description just in case you guys want to get it in the description box. So I just put a little bit of that at the edge of my comb, and I just bring my baby hairs down to the side because I don't like my baby hairs in my face, because that feels a little bit uncomfortable for me, because I don't like to have things in the front of my head too much, you know what I mean? And so I just bring that down a little bit like that, like so. Okay, and just to the side, I would just bring that down. This is how I like to do it. I don't like, all that curliness in the front of my hair. I mean, it's baby hairs, yes, but I'm not a baby, okay? So there we go, just like that, okay? And as you can see, the front of my hair is nicely laid down. And of course, you just brush that down, okay? And there we be, and there we go. You guys are going to like this edge tamer. Again, this is from Amazon. I'm going to link this in the description box for you guys as well. The comb is also from Amazon. I think they come in a set of 2, if I'm not mistaken, but it's going to be in the description for you guys, okay? And everything that we talk about in regards to CrownedBeauty is going to be left in the description box for you guys again. I got 2 of the hair mousse, I got the wax stick, and I've got the hair oil, and this is the wig glue. And the wig glue, again, I really don't like it, but the rest of the things I do recommend for you guys. So on that note, I don't even know what I was about to say. So on that note, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy watching today. Thank you guys for clicking on this video, and I will definitely invite you guys to subscribe before you go. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Toodles!